Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to create new doodle video based on the doodle patterns we created before. If you haven't watched the video, click the I button or you can find the link to those videos in the description below. Also follow our Instagram page Art with Freedom for more creative content. If you like our efforts, to subscribe to the channel. Each subscription means a lot to us, that keeps us motivated to create more content. Don't forget to like, comment and share.